we've been eating UJ like for the past 1 week now, and it's been consistent. And again, I'm gonna give you this. Yesterday, Monday, we had massive sources about 100 pips yesterday. Today also we are going strong on more than 100 pips right now, currently as I speak right now, and I'm about to break the trade for you so that you understand it. I'm giving you more in depth on the reason why I entered the trade, and again, it was like the trade was beautiful. Everything, the pattern, starting from the pattern, the structure, the bias, everything on point. I'm like this. I'm not capping. And this is why I tell you, like, if you're not joining my Discord, I don't know what you're looking for. If you're not joining my Discord, if you're not joining my signal, like, I don't. What are you looking for? By the way, watch the video and let me. Hey guys, look at what we have here. Like I said earlier, I said I'm gonna break this trade for you guys, and look at it. Like, we are running about. If I'm checking right now, we're running about 100 pips right now, about 1 to 6. Then the target is 1 to 8. I already closed partial profit, so now only for me to analyze this market for you guys. And yesterday, if you're following me on Instagram thread, if you follow me on my Discord chat, you will see when I was saying that, oh, we are going to head down, like UJ is selling since last week. We've been selling. I saw last week when I caught about 200 pips last week, and we've been selling ever since then. I want to break this down for you guys, and again, I want to be able to explain certain things that prompt this my entry. Let me show you guys. I think I have it written somewhere. First of all, this is how I get my buyers in the market, and how I get to know when this move happen, or when it's supposed to happen. I don't predict it. I just follow system. So number one on the list is that I check the daily and the 4 hours time frame for structure. What do I mean structure? I just need to know where the market is heading at that particular day, where it's going to. And secondly, I need to know where we have supply and demand zone, where the market could get and reject, where we have a strong momentum from the market. Then number 2 on the list is I mark my liquidity zone, which is with the area of interest where I believe sellers and buyers are taking over from the market. So those areas happens to be on a supply and demand zone, right? But anyway, I look for where the market will give me more confirmation from. So first of all, let me okay, I don't need to delete it, just. So as you can see right now, UJ, sorry, if you know me too well, you know that I'm a freak when it comes to GJ. GJ used to be my baby until he started doing crazy. He was doing weary. The weary was too much. But anyway, so these are the things I try to look out for in the market. I try to look for. This is not my entry signature. This is just like the buyers. I like to look for the buyers in the market. Then the next thing I look for. So now, since we know that the direction of the market is been selling, since we broke this structure here, since we broke this structure, see, like, look at it. Since we broke here, we got a retest. Then we should expect nothing less than sell. If anybody wants to buy here, then he's doing himself. It's just trading against the trend. So now, what do we expect? Then after that, on a daily, then I move to 4 hours time frame. This is how I got into the trade. I just want to explain to you. So previously on Monday morning, on Friday again, I sent a signal saying that we're gonna sell in this area. We're gonna sell in this area. I sent a signal on trade, so we're gonna sell in this area. It was a beautiful trade, about 1 to 4 trade for me, because the way I didn't enter. So this was when I sent a signal, but I entered that time, but because of the time, it was weekend, it was Friday, and the market was about to close. I just had to like let go. I said, okay, I have to let go. Then only for me to re-enter again early in the morning when the market opened on Monday. I'm gonna, maybe we'll talk about that, or maybe we'll just focus on this new trade that we have going on now. So anyway, why do I enter this trade? So from daily time frame, we have our buyers selling. 4 hours time frame is also selling. You can see these are strong support zone that is going to take an event to break this structure. It's going to take a very strong event to break this structure, even though it's going to take a lot. So my point now is that we have so many reasons why the market should be selling based on weekly, daily, and 4 hours time frame. So now I just have to look for my entry signal. Then if I want to look for my entry, first of all, I go to 2 hours time frame. So this give me more clear. It's more like half of 4 hours time frame. So this was how I enter my trade. Yes, on Monday morning, it was here where I entered the trade. It was here. My stop loss was I think it was 20 pips. Then my TP was here. It was 1 to almost 1 to 3, almost 1 to 4 trade. And I closed the trade early in the morning during London session. Then ever since then I didn't place any trade. I was waiting for another signal because again I knew that we are not done with the sell. We are not done. The market is moving close to our TP now. We were not done with the sell. So for me, I need to look for entry, and I know that it wouldn't give me the entry on a platter of gold. There has to be wickers. It has to take people who were selling. He has to take them out, or people who sold around this area has to take them out first in order for us to to actually get the move that we actually want. So how do I get that? I go to 1 hour time frame. Then 1 hour time frame give me more clear. Then see what happened on 1 hour time frame. You just need a change in the structure, or you need the market to be able to tell you that I'm about to sell now. Look at what happened here. You don't need anybody. You don't need anybody to tell you that the market is about to sell here after this rejection. I don't know if you can see, but let me put this in. You don't need anybody to tell you that the market will sell in this area after this structure. So this was the shift that I saw. And again, if you know how I trade with W and M pattern. These are the patterns that I use in the market to enter my trade. If I don't see this pattern, no trade for me. So again, this was the pattern. See, retest, then pull. That was it. That was how I entered. Same thing here. Same thing I did here. See, retest, the market closed very beautifully. See how I entered the trade here. Trading is just system. Once you're able to follow the system, you have no issue. It might not work all the time, but as long as you follow system and plans, it will work. So this was the trade, and yeah, we are still selling. We are still selling massively, beautifully. I should have entered more trade here, but again, we move massively. This is almost 110 pips. Then we're looking for what more can you ask for? If you don't join my Discord chat, if the link is just down below, just join it. It's free. Then if you want to be able to get signal from me every day, then you can also send me a message on Discord. We can discuss that. And if you want to learn how to trade like me, the link is down below too. You can also see my PDF, my mentorship blueprint, where you can learn and see the things I'm looking for in the market, the patterns and all those things. You have more understanding on that. You can also click the link and get it. I hope you learn 1 or 2 things from this video. And if you have not subscribed yet, I don't know what you're looking for. Just subscribe. Subscribe, guys. Peace out.